Welcome to the second video for UPSC Prelims 2024 Solved Geography Previous Year Questions. We will cover 5 questions with explanations and a quick summary of the related concepts. Happy learning! Our first question asks, which inferences from isothermal maps in the month of January are correct? Statement 1 is the isotherms deviate to the north over the ocean and to the south over the continent. Statement 2 is the presence of cold ocean currents, Gulf Stream and North Atlantic drift, make the North Atlantic Ocean colder and the isotherms bend towards the north. The correct answer is option A, 1 only. Statement 1 is correct. In January, the land masses of the Northern Hemisphere, like Asia, are much colder than the surrounding oceans due to continentality. Oceans retain heat longer, so they are relatively warmer. As a result, isotherms bend equatorward, south, over continents and poleward, north, over oceans. Statement 2 is wrong. The Gulf Stream and North Atlantic drift are warm currents, not cold. They actually warm the North Atlantic Ocean, keeping Western Europe's climate milder in winter. Cold currents, like the Labrador Current, do make nearby regions colder, but the Gulf Stream and North Atlantic drift do the opposite. An isotherm is a line on a map that connects locations with the same temperature at a given time or over a specific period. Isotherms help visualize temperature distribution across the globe, revealing patterns like heat zones, cold regions, and the influence of ocean currents. Isotherms move due to factors like solar insolation shifts, the differing heating and cooling rates of land versus ocean, seasonal pressure systems, and the influence of ocean currents. Question 2 asks which countries are the 2 largest cocoa producers in the world? The options are Algeria and Morocco, Botswana and Namibia, Côte d'Ivoire and Ghana, or Madagascar and Mozambique. The answer is option C. Côte d'Ivoire and Ghana, located in West Africa, are the 2 largest cocoa producers globally. Question 3 asks for the correct west to east sequence of Himalayan rivers, joining the Ganga downstream of Prayagraj. Choose the correct order from the given options. The correct option is B. The sequence from west to east is Gomati, which joins at Ghazipur, followed by Gagara near Chhapra, Gandak near Hajipur, and finally Kosi near Kursela. This table provides a quick summary of the major tributaries of the Ganga River, including which bank they join from, the joining point, and the state. The Ganga River has several major confluences, both sacred and geographical, that shape its course and cultural significance. The most revered are the Panch Prayag in Uttarakhand and the Triveni Sangam in Prayagraj. Panch Prayag includes Vishnu Prayag, Nanda Prayag, Karna Prayag, Rudra Prayag, and Dev Prayag. These sites mark the merging of the Alaknanda River with other streams, leading to the Ganges. Triveni Sangam is the mythical meeting of Ganga, Yamuna, and Saraswati, a site for the Kumbh Mela. Panch Prayag consists of 5 holy confluences in the Garhwal Himalayas, where tributaries join the Alaknanda River. At Dev Prayag, the confluence of the Alaknanda and Bhagirathi, the river officially becomes the Ganga. Question 4 presents 3 statements about rainfall and the weathering of rocks. Statement 1. Rainfall is one of the reasons for the weathering of rocks. Statement 2. Rainwater contains carbon dioxide in solution. Statement 3. Rainwater contains atmospheric oxygen. Determine the correct relationship between these statements. The answer is option A. All 3 statements are correct, and statements 2 and 3 explain statement 1. Statement 1 is correct. Rainfall contributes to both physical and chemical weathering of rocks. Statement 2 is correct. Rainwater absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, forming carbonic acid, which chemically reacts with minerals in rocks. Statement 3 is correct. Oxygen in rainwater contributes to oxidation reactions, a type of chemical weathering. Minerals, like iron in rocks, react with oxygen and water to form iron oxides commonly seen as rust. This weakens the rock structure and makes it more prone to breakdown. Weathering is the natural process by which rocks, minerals, and soils are broken down or altered at or near the Earth's surface due to contact with the atmosphere, water, and biological organisms. It does not involve movement of the material, that's erosion, but rather the disintegration, physical, and decomposition, chemical/biological, of rocks in place. Weathering is classified into 3 main types: physical, chemical, and biological. Here is a table summarizing the types of weathering: physical, chemical, and biological, along with the process, agents involved, and examples for each type. Question 5 lists 4 countries: Finland, Germany, Norway, and Russia. You need to determine how many of these countries have a border with the North Sea. The answer is option B, only 2. Option 1 is wrong. Finland have a border with the Baltic Sea, not the North Sea. Option 2 is correct. Germany has a coastline on the North Sea, northwest, near Hamburg/Bremen. Option 3 is correct. Norway has a long coastline along the North Sea, southern part near Stavanger, Bergen. Option 4 is wrong. Russia have borders with the Baltic Sea, Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Black Sea, Caspian Sea, but not the North Sea. The North Sea is bordered by 7 countries: the United Kingdom, Norway, Denmark, Germany, Netherlands, Belgium, and France. These countries have coastlines directly touching the North Sea, making them its maritime neighbors. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful and you learned something new today. Please like and subscribe for more informative videos.